Hi everyone, and thanks for coming to our first annual Congress. I hope there's going to be many more. There's people from Cape Town, there's people from Natal. The biggest thing for me was I'm speaking to these guys in Switzerland. We're going to have a Congress, and then I don't know, is anyone going to show up? So thanks for showing up. That's great. That's great for us.
We're up at Hippo Creek Lodge, so the setting is quite stunning. And we've just gone through the first morning session on day one. It's quite insightful. So loving the course so far.
It's really good to have such high caliber international speakers here. So I think it's a great initiative by KYON and Watsumi to get this going and get it off the ground.
No, I think it's been an amazing weekend. We've had so much fun getting to get everybody together. I mean, it's been here since all of the surgeons South Africa has been together. So it's been amazing seeing everybody, getting the youngsters, the new residents to meet all the surgeons.
I find the workshop quite helpful because it's procedures that I think we are introducing more now than we had available. You know, it's obviously been around for a while, but it is nice now to have access or coaching. Surgically, we have very limited access to conferences like these. It's very often medicine-based things, so it's fairly seldom that we have a surgical congress, especially an African one.
I think it's been really interesting to see how many enthusiastic surgeons there are. There seem to be quite a broad range from sort of more experienced surgeons to kind of people who are earlier in their careers. So it's been interesting to meet some of them. So it's quite special. It's a bit of a treat for us to be doing a workshop here.
It's nice to see how they brainstorm and how they think about things, and to know that we're not that far off the path, but it's nice to get their opinions.
Movora is excellent. I think the products that they can launch is it's absolutely spectacular. The options that they actually give us for either fracture fixations or fixations or help with dogs with elbow dysplasia and so forth they are really amazing. I'm so glad that Watsumi actually partnered up with them because they act as a local distributor. Best of all is that one of our specialists is actually part of that collaboration, which makes it a much bigger family rather than being just a company.
I think the Congress went very well. I think the main goal was to get everybody together, to meet everybody, get everybody in the same room and make sure you all think about everything the same and build relationships and make sure we as a group of surgeons understand what we want to do of certain cases, and then also for the surgeons to get to know Watsumi Surgical and get to know what we can offer them as a local distributor and the company that we partnered with and what we can offer South Africa from the Switzerland-based company and all the equipment, power tools, consumables, etc.